Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy holidays wherever you are around the world. Hope you guys are having a wonderful time with your family during this holiday season. Looking across the board on December 21st, the markets are starting to go back into the green over the past 1 hour, but again, nothing to be getting excited about as far as the overall excitement is concerned. But today, I will be covering Hedera Hashgraph. What's happening with the price of Hedera Hashgraph? What are some price targets we should be looking at? Highly requested project on my channel. So let's waste no more time and get right into Hbar. Before I begin, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. As far as Hedera Hashgraph goes, I've known about this project for quite some time. So I've known the overall hype that's on this project. Looking at the price currently trading at that 0.43 cents mark and has a market cap above that $1 billion mark and sitting at $1.07 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $12.8 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, obviously, over the past 1 year, entire cryptocurrency market has taken a massive hit. Remember, we are in a bear market, and over the past 1 year it's down about 86.1%. But now you may be saying, Crypto ZX, what are you excited about? You seem very enthusiastic right now. Because guys, let me tell you something very interesting that's happening with Hbar right now. If we're looking across the board right now, right, over the last 7 days, look at majority of the cryptocurrency market down double digits. Most of them, again, right, down double digits, some down 22%, 30%. But if we go on to Hbar, down about 7.7% over the last 24 hours. So according to other altcoins, if we're making a comparison, Hbar has been holding stronger compared to other altcoins, which is no secret right now. But now let's get right into the charts. Maybe the charts tell us something different. What's happening with the price and where could the price be possibly going in the immediate short term? And that's what I'm going to cover. I always bring up the daily time frames to really show my viewers the bigger picture. What has been the price pattern historically speaking for Hbar? And you guys can see the price of Hbar hit an all-time high of 57 cents just last year. And if I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, since then, the price has retraced about 94% since all-time highs. And now you may be saying, whoa, it's down about 93%. Why are we getting excited? Again, we're in a bear market. It's the entire cryptocurrency market that's down right now, not just Hbar itself. So that's something I do want people to keep in mind. But now, let's go into the shorter time frame, see what's happening with the price and what are some next price targets we should be looking at for the price of Hbar. As you guys can see, after the May crash, the initial crash, we saw the price of Hbar fall below this major level of support at that 7.56 cents for the first time ever since June 12th. And you guys can see the price tried to break out of that level of resistance then, and every single time, we never managed to close above there. And what does this show us? This shows us this level of resistance that we're facing over here at that 7.5 cents is very important. So whenever we're going to be talking about a reversal, the thing that we're going to be looking at is this level of resistance, which is extremely important because the price would need a lot of buying pressure for us to really break out of here with, confident. And right now, though, you guys can see the price has been on a downwards channel, which is no secret right now. Let me get rid of this for you guys so you guys can get a better picture as to what I really mean. You guys can see the price of Hbar has been forming a downwards channel, and right now could we possibly see us retest this 2.1 cent support level that dates back to 2020, major level of support, and we have not yet touched this price level. Last time the price was here around these levels was all the way back. If we do bring out the daily time frame, you guys can see the last time the price was actually around those levels was back on March of 2020. So this has been quite some time since we've seen the price go there. But now comes the question, are we finally about to see that really come to play? Are we going to see that happen? My answer to that is, it all depends. It all depends on this guy over here, BTC. BTC has, been acting a little weird lately, and if you are a regular viewer on my channel, you already know what I'm discussing. But if this is your first time onto the channel, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. Do not forget to come join the Crypto ZX army. But if this is your first time coming onto the channel, the price of Bitcoin has been, playing with a lot of people over the past, few months. And, we never managed to get back into the 78.6, this blue zone, since this initial, breakdown after the FTX collapse. And obviously before that, we've been trading below, in this range for months and months. And, my sweet spot where I turned bullish for the price of Bitcoin is above $22,000 mark. And we're nowhere close to that. To be on the safe end of the spectrum for the price of BTC, we need to be in this blue zone. And currently, we're nowhere near that. And so far, the price of Bitcoin over the past, few weeks after this FTX collapse, we've been in an upwards channel formation. But again, we need to be back in the 78.6 for us to be getting excited. So that's something we do need to keep in mind. But let's say, the 2023 year comes to a start and we do see a massive dump in the price of Bitcoin, sees a new yearly low, which I still think can happen. A lot of analysts were calling that the month of December was going to play out on the bullish end, which historically speaking is true. But I still do believe Bitcoin has a little bit more downwards momentum to go, because Bitcoin capitulation, I believe, is going to be around $11,000 to $12,000. And I think that is still into play. So obviously, if we take that into consideration, I do still believe Hbar has what it takes to pull this level. If that were to happen, and that means a move of about 50% drop right now. I'm not trying to scare anyone here. I'm trying to be realistic, and we're looking at what could possibly happen, and that's definitely on the table yet. But if we hear some sort of positive news and the price of Bitcoin were to go above 22K mark and actually close above there, then I would say, we have seen the Bitcoin bottom. But historically speaking, guys, I still believe, that there is more downward momentum to go for the price of Bitcoin. So Hbar, in that consideration, does have more levels to go. And if you're a strong believer for Hbar, you have done your due diligence and research when you're investing in the markets, and you really do believe Hbar is the next big thing, you want to be scooping it up when it's in bloodbath, regardless if you're picking it up now or not, or if the price were to go lower. Remember, if you believe in the long haul, it's going to balance out in the longer haul. And there's a massive famous saying, be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy. Remember, be fearful when there's the massive, interest coming in. Everyone wants to go to the moon, blah, blah, blah. That's a red flag. That's where you should be exiting out. Have your exit strategy in place and execute that. So those are some factors we need to keep in mind right now. But let me know if you guys want daily update on Hedera Hashgraph or every other day, and I will bring you guys just that. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.